friends, today we're going to draw a famous woman.
Yeah, her name's Hedy Lamarr, and she is a famous actress and also an inventor.
Yeah.
What did she invent?
Bluetooth and Wi-Fi.
Yeah, which we use every day.
Yes.
I hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw her mouth. We're going to draw a little smile right here in the middle of our paper. We'll do it really small. And then we're going to draw her eyes. We could draw really big eyes. I'm going to draw a circle and the same size circle over here on the right. And then let's draw the smaller circle in the top left to make her eyes shiny. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Then let's also add eyelashes. I'm going to draw 3 little curves on each side of her eye. Yeah, and then we can draw the shape of her head. I'm going to start here, and we'll draw coming under for her chin, and then back up on the right side. Oh, and also let's draw eyebrows. I'm going to draw a little curve on each eye. Okay, now let's draw her hair. We're going to start here. We could even add a little guide point, but we're going to draw a curve coming out like this, and then we're going to curve down and back. Ooh, we could even keep going a little more. She had really pretty curly hair. And then we're going to draw another curve coming down, and then one more connecting to her head or cheeks. And then we could draw an ear coming out of the hair on the side. Okay, let's repeat all those same curves for the other side. So I'm going to draw it coming out the side. She usually parted her hair in the middle, and then we're drawing the curly hair coming down on the sides. So we got the same curve, and then we can draw another one, and one more connecting, and then a curve for her ear. Let's also give her earrings. I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle over here. Now let's draw the outside of her hair. We're going to start right here, and we could add another guide point. We're going to draw it curving out like this, and then back down. We could do the same thing on the other side. And then let's draw another curve coming out and down further, but then I'm going to draw another little wavy line there. And then we can do the same thing on this side to match. And we're going to draw the rest of her hair later. Let's draw her neck. We'll draw 2 lines coming down from her little chin, and then we're going to draw her shoulders coming out on both sides. Then let's curve. We can curve down also on each side. And then we're going to draw her arms coming down to the middle, and then we'll come back up and stop there. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. We'll curve into the middle and then back up. And we're going to draw her with a really pretty gown on. So we're going to draw wiggly lines coming over across her shoulders. Then we can also draw another line for her sleeves on each arm. And then let's draw her dress coming out. So we'll draw it right here, curving out to the left and also out to the right. Then we'll draw a wiggly line to connect those 2 lines, the outside of her dress, together. And then right here in the middle, let's draw a line straight down for her legs. We're going to curve out to the left, and then up for one leg, and then curve out to the right for the other leg. And then we can also draw a little curve down here for her shoes. And then let's also draw the back of her dress going behind her legs on each side. So I'm going to draw another wiggly line connecting to her legs. Now let's finish her hair. We're going to start up here. We could draw a little curve, and then we'll draw a bigger curve. And let's draw another big curve, and then maybe a little curve right at the end. And we could do that same thing over here. Small, big, another big curve. Well, I'm going to add maybe a couple more little ones down at the bottom. Let's also add one more thing to our drawing. Let's draw the Wi-Fi symbol over here. I'm going to draw a circle for the bottom. And then we'll draw a curve over the top. And then let's draw another curve that matches. It's a little bit bigger, but above it. And then we'll curve to connect those two lines. Now we're going to repeat that same step 2 more times for another curve, but each time we make the next one, we're going to make it wider, so it goes out further. So we're going to draw 2 more curves, and then we'll connect them top down to the bottom. And then one more even bigger across the top. I'm concentrating.
Yeah, same.
I even got a little wobbly. That's okay. We're practicing, right?
Yeah.
And then connect them on the end. Hadley, good job. That turned out awesome. Except we're not completely done.
We still need to color her.
Yes, this part we'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. Or you can color your drawings differently. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Hedy Lamarr, and she turned out super beautiful. I especially love your drawing.
Thanks, I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. And I also like that we added the little details to the dress and also those cute pink cheeks.
I hope our art friends will color their drawings too.
Yeah, you can pause the video to match our coloring or color yours differently. You could also add computers on the background. That would be cool.
Oh yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Hedy Lamarr.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.